Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel where today I will be starting the first of a new series which is quick tips for your LG OLED. So if you're a subscriber to the channel, you may have seen my previous tips and tricks videos. If you haven't, I will put a link in the description so you can go and check those out. And those were generally longer videos which were loads of tips and tricks that you may not have known about for your LG OLED. This series is literally going to be just one or maybe two tips in each video, very quick and very straight to the point, apart from today where I'm explaining myself. Now we've got the introduction out of the way, I think it's time we crack on with the very first quick tip. So this very first tip is going to be demonstrated on my 65-inch LG B8 OLED, and just please bear in mind that not all of these tips will work on all of the models. So if you have got an external device connected to your LG OLED, then what you're going to want to do is grab your magic remote, give it a shake, it will bring up the magic pointer, and then simply press once down on the scroll wheel. This will then bring up information about the external connected device. This is a skybox I've got connected, and then simply highlight it with the pointer and then press one more time. And then this will now bring up information about the connected device, such as aspect ratio, get that back up, resolution, and the sound as well. So we've got Dolby audio on that. So yeah, just a nice little one there for any of you guys out there who want to know what's happening with your connected device when it comes to resolution, aspect ratio and sound. So there you have it then guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video today, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comments section. Do you think it is a good idea me doing this little series of quick tips? And if you have enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.